6-3 of 21, and we call it AMC. Once again, we featured this yesterday. Yes, we did. And we also told you that the hype trade and the speculators and the gamblers were totally in there, but we also told you it would end up a bad way. So here's how it goes down. Today's high, let's get that straight, 77.30. What was today's low? They dropped the bomb on it down to 37.66. Then it rebounded, okay? And it did. So they tried to walk it back up. They didn't get away with it. Right now, stock is trading down 1286 or minus 20.85%. So when you take a look, and I told you don't chase it. It was good at $10.80. You can see right here on a 60-minute. Better yet, here, let's go to a 4 hourly chart. Yeah, let's go that way, pal. All right? Look, there's the top, there's the bottom, there's the recovery, there's the drawdown. There's a lot more downside to come. You might not think so. Don't chase this stock. Don't buy this stock up here. Do not, whatever you do that. If you want to come gambling, come to the Wynn Resort or the MGM Grand in Las Vegas. And then they have other hotels that have lots of them. So the thing about it is this. There was nothing wrong with trading the speculation when we were featuring it back over here. And then selling out. And then it got slammed. And then you could see the wick on that 4 hour wick. And you could see it come down. Now, listen. This is a hype play. Okay? And it is. And be willing to lose a lot of money. If you're buying the shares, whatever account you're using, who knows what you're doing. But at the end of the day, and the bottom line is, do you come out a winner by buying it up here? No, you don't. They can go up quickly. It's a momentum. It's a hype trade. Right now, AMC has 594 million shares traded right now. Previous day's close was 62.55. The intraday high was 68.80 as it was. And it still continues to trade in the after hours market, down $13. So as long as this goes on, it will last for a while, but it will end. And it will. And it will not be a pretty picture. And yes, there was a lot of money the short sellers lost all the way up because that's how they work. Okay, it's a mechanical thing and a dollar thing. So the thing about it is, now that it starts to play through the process, is we can clearly see where the trend channel is. And as long as we have that trend channel, then we know that throughout the longer period time frame, when I'm buying put options that go out 4 months on something like this below the market, I know where the stock goes. And I can sit there and hold it because I know that that value right now is so cheap, but I can't help but make money. And that's because I'm very smart at it. Long term, the stock and the fundamentals will catch up. Right now, that momentum, and I tip my hat off to every one of you because we're the ones that featured it to play the momentum up. But we're the first ones to tell you when it's time to start dumping it. And when it's no longer going to be what it was, as it was at around that $10.80. That's when we said to start buying it. We have it right there on the channel. Too bad you weren't in the free 5-day trial. We're on the alert service. You could have had it, but you weren't. But you can get in there now. All you have to do is take the right step. What is that called? Move forward. Now, let's get back to where we're at. This is how they always end up. And we can see more upside, as I said. And we did. We got up here to the high of 77.30. I mean, how wonderful that was. It really was. And then it dropped down to the low of 37.66, just like we said it would yesterday. And we did. And then you could see the wick right there. And then you could see the trend. And then you could see here, I'll draw you another trend line. It goes just like this. Here's a broader one on the outside of it right there. There's the one that we're hitting on right now. So let it be known that you want to get the free 5-day trial. You really want to know how to take this market. Tell a friend that you watch this video and have them come back. We have over, what, I don't know, 4,000 live videos, live trades, more than anyone. Take the next step. Learn how to do this the right way. That is going to be your success. And that is what I promise, should you go down that road, by signing up for the free 5-day trial.